Hello. Yo guys, alright, so I bought the $31. Yes, I know. I'm broke. And I only got 31 days to do this. I am trying to get the Hero Souls event. Ultra Souls event. So let's try to get that. Legendary. Yeah. Legendary. Let's go! Yo! I exactly got it what I wanted! Yo! What? Yo, dude, I exactly got what I wanted. What? I exactly asked for that in particular, and I got it. Yo, that's crazy! Oh my god! So sick, bro! I can't wait for it to be a giant. Let's upgrade it. My hand's hurting. Oh my god, that's a lot of XP, man. I am broke. Oh, I need money. I'm broke as a bean. I don't have money. I need money. Nah, I can't do it. I can't believe I got it, bro. That one, it's overpowered. At least I got a legendary. Yeah. Where is this? Where, bro? I swear. Where is this, man? There it is. I think this one I'm just going to... this one, it's not that hard. Don't ask me what this loadout is. I just picked it randomly because I thought it was cool. Wait. Why would I do it? Oh my god. Really? I don't really think that's gonna be useful. I want to cramp. Yo, bro, this is taking forever. Heck no. I'm not losing to a rabbit. Not a rabbit. A kangaroo. I haven't been reading in a long time. Wait, I didn't use it. Oh, no. Oh, come on, man. No, just get out the way. Let's go. 2 times XP. I need to pause. Alright, so when I watch the ad, it's just I don't want to get, copyright striked. Yo. Or, cat chicken. Yo, ticket, my bad. Yo, bro, are all these... Oh my god. No. Please, bro. Please. There's got to be one. Thank you. Never mind. I don't want to play this game no more. This morning, there was literally one. So I don't know what is happening. Oh my God. I'm literally only at the alien, whatever it's called. And I already got this. Oh wait. Never mind, I don't want this. I regret buying this. I wish I never got. Stop. Monthly, so. Alright. What is the AI bot going to do today? Well. Never playing this game again. Oh my God, she's that easy to kill? Oh no! Oh. I wonder how tough. No. I woke up in the middle of the night. Let me stop it. Oh my God! Come on, bro. You can do this. Yo, bro, is my AI bot doing real sick? Oh, no, I'm cooked. I'm financially cooked. Put me on a pan and cook me all the way to 200 degrees because I'm fried. Oh no, I'm generationally cooked. Superhumanly cooked. I don't know what to do, man. Oh my God, I'm cooked. One shot? Almost? Oh no, that's crazy. I'm not doing this, bro. Nah, my AI's finna do everything. Please tell me this is not the worst. Oh, nah! I'm never playing this game again. I remember I did get past this huge stuff. I wanna quit. And I got that hand in. Wonder what this is. Let's test it out, shall we? I'm not doing this. I'm quitting. Why would the computer do that? Oh my God. Why is that a furry and a fox? I mean, is that a dog's? Is that a dog but a furry? That ain't that hard to. You weeks I shot a dog across the street. I'm joking when I say that. A few weeks ago I shot a dog across my street. I'm joking. I wonder what's so Did that dog just kill my legendary? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Bricks? What do we need bricks for? I don't need any bricks, bro. I need money. I mean, not money. Well, yeah, money, but like, oh yes, this is the one. $5,465. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why. I'm cooked. I'm not playing this. I'm sorry guys, but I'm not playing this. We're on Valentine's. 7-minute war is crazy. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce things. Then I caught red-handed. Alright, bro. Alright. I just summoned one thing. Give me a break. Give me a break. Damn. Oh. I did not know you were that. Man, back up. Man, back. That's overpowered.
Sorry.
Yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Tweet, 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 tweet. Why are there birds? Arena's supposed to be birds instead of a cat game. Get out. Oh yeah. Then here comes the gorilla. Ooh, ah, ah. Let me stop. Bro, that's overpowered. That's overpowered. How much HP was the boss at? I'm quitting this game and I'm never playing again. If the boss was at that much, then how much HP does he have in total? Oh nah. Oh nah. No, 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 no. What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh nah. Can I still quit? Oh no. No, 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 no. Thank you. No, 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 no. quick. Wait, that ain't even a lot for real. Let me stop. As I said, let me stop. Let me stop the cat. Capping like beans, bro. 50 AI can do better than me. Nah, never mind. I'm built different. But if another boss spawns, I'm gonna... If another boss spawns, I'm gonna crash out, bro. I hope, in great God's name... Yes! Let's go! I didn't get any cat fruit from that? Oh my... I didn't get any cat fruit from that? Oh... Special thanks. I think I'm going to... Oh my god. I remember I had everything to 20 and now it's all down. Why'd I do that? Okay. Yes. I'm not doing that. No. No, thank you. Attack on the lonely hearts. I'm gonna use nothing. Attack! Whoosh. This is easy. Oh my god, this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. This video is gonna be 20 minutes long. I said that at 17 minutes. What? Nah, the chocolate ain't doing a lot of damage. Did somebody say chocolate? Chocolate? I am a young kid who did nothing. I only know 25 letters in the alphabet. I don't know why. Tell that to your guys' dad. Tell that to your guys' dad. And stop. They will crack up. Like laughing. I don't mean it the other way. YouTube don't demonetize me, please. Please. Yo, dude. I don't know why the chocolate has not gotten eaten, but no questions asked. Oh my god, this is slow as beans, bro. Slow as beans, beans. Yay! Plus free vitamin. You're junior. Isn't that like stalking? I've watched you from far away. Oh, wasn't this the Godzilla event inside of Battle Cats? Wasn't? Oh nah! Oh nah! That's some pretty realistic graphics. This is gonna go on for 10 years, huh? Oh my god, none of them are gonna die. Okay, they have gotten farther, but closer. Yo, can one of you guys just... Oh, I dropped the coal. Bro, I swear. Can this apple move? Oh, it's over 20 minutes. That wasn't that hard. Don't demonetize me, YouTube. I wonder what all the cats are doing in there. Hey, yo! Well, that's gonna be an end for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.